Hello student, today we are going to do the lesson number 14 of social science class 6 workbook exercise social and political life the unity in diversity. ये workbook की सारी exercise है यहाँ पे. The first question is choose the correct alternative that you can directly copy down the answers. Okay, total 11 MCQs are there and question number 2 is filling the blanks. Question number 3 is true or false. Tick the mark. Okay, total 12 true or false are there. Then question number 4 is match the pair. Three match the pairs are there. Okay, now the question number 5 is answer the following questions in one or two sentences. The first question is which languages are spoken in our country? The language like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia, Kokni, etc. are spoken in our country. Second question is which religions do the people follow in our country? The people of our country follow religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, etc. Question number 3, next page. What is a unique feature of our Indian culture? The unique feature of Indian culture is unity in diversity. Question number 4 is what has Dr. Radhakrishnan said about national unity? Dr. Radhakrishnan has said about national unity that if we want to survive as a nation, we must accept the need of our national unity. Question number 5 is how did our countrymen show national unity during freedom movement? Answer is during freedom movement, the countryman showed national unity through the feeling of patriotism and sacrifice. Question number 6 is why has India been able to create a unique culture? Since Indians are united, though there are many diversities in our country, has been able to create a unique culture. Question number 7 is which principle has India followed in the world? The India has followed by the principle of Vasudeva Kutumbakam. The world is the whole world is a family in the वर्ड. ओके, यहाँ पे थोड़ी स्पेस छूटी है बिकॉज में थोड़ी मिस्टेक्स थी. 8 क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डज इंडिया स्प्रेड इन द मैटर ऑफ रिलीजन इन द वर्ल्ड? इंडिया स्प्रेड द फीलिंग ऑफ रिलीजियस टॉलरेंस एंड इक्वालिटी इन द वर्ल्ड. Question number 9 is with what spirit do the people of India live their lives? The people of India live their lives with the spirit of coexistence. Question number 10 is which discriminations are seen in our country? Discrimination between rich, poor, male, female, literate, urban, rural and caste discriminations etc. are seen in our country. Question number 11 is how was untouchability been eradicated from India? The Constitution of Independent India has given the right to equality to all citizens. As a result, untouchability has been eradicated from India. Now next page, question number 12 is because of what has discrimination decreased equally in the years after independence? Discrimination had decreased equally in the year after independence because of the getting freedom by which people can follow their own religion, speak their own language and celebrate their own festival. Question number 13 is of which socially evil customs have women become victims in India and why? Women have become victims of child marriage, parda system, dowry system and other socially evil customs because of our low literacy rate among women in India. Question 14 is why do the women become the victims of female 45? In Indian society, the birth of a boy is given a preference, so the women became the victim of female 45. The question number 6 is answer the following question briefly. The first question is which festival do the people of country celebrate? The people of our country celebrate festivals like Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Uttarayan, Holi, Dashera, Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas, Asadi Duj, Muharram, बुद्धा जयंती, Mahavir Jayanti, Onam, Pateti, Baisakhi, etc. Question number 2 is which dance are the famous in our country? There are famous in our country Ras Garba in Gujarat, Bhangra Punjab, Kathak in Uttar Pradesh, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, Kathakali in Kerala, Bharatanatyam in Tamil Nadu, Bihu in Assam, Odissi in Odisha, Ghumar in Rajasthan, Lavani in Maharashtra, etc. Question number 3 is what led to caste-based discrimination in India? In, in the ancient times, social structure was occupation-based Varna system. Some of these groups remained socially and economically backward. This led to caste-based discrimination in India. Now next page is question number 4. Why is our country the country of diversity? Our country becomes a country of diversity in religious, language, castes, races, economic inequalities, food, festival, artists, colors, complexions, residents, belief, customs, and traditions, etc. Besides this, our country become a country which with a diversity due to its geographical factor like topography, climate, vegetation, wildlife, farming, etc. Question number 5 is what is national unity? People of different religions, languages, and caste shows a spirit of love, respect, honor, loyalty, devotion, dedication, and respect to their nation and experience similar feeling of unity. This is called national unity. Question number 7 is answer the following question. First one, write in short about discrimination between girls and boys. First point is there are biological differences between females and males. That is why there is discrimination in the upbringing of a boy and a girl. Point number 2 is in many families today women do household chores, cooking and upbringing children. Third point is in the family women don't have authority to take a decision. Fourth point, daughters are deprived of education, healthcare and economic right from the infancy. Fifth point is girls are discriminated in clothes, opportunities for studying in moving freely and professional work. Sixth point is due to the low literacy rate among the girls, they have become victim of child marriage, purdah system, dowry system, as well as their other evil customs and injustice. Seventh point is since birth of a son is given preference in society, women have to suffer females but fight. Eighth point is the less number of females in different fields show discrimination between males and female. Second question is India is a secular country. Explain the statement. First point is the Constitution of India has given the fundamental right of religious freedom to all citizens of the country. Second point is this right has given equal rights to all citizens without discrimination. Okay, यहाँ पे discrimination है of religion, caste or sect in India. Third point is the government of India is not responsible to buy and sect or religious. The country treats all religions as equal. Fourth point is no one is higher or lower in the eyes of the law of our country. Fifth point is in India, every citizen is free to follow his her own religion. Sixth point is the government of India is impartial and neutral in all religious matter. Seventh point is the Constitution of India has adopted the principle of equal vision and equal attitude फॉर ऑल रिलीजियस. ओके, तो यहाँ पे ये ख़त्म होता है चैप्टर. इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन बाकी है, वो आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिल जाएगा. ओके, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल और शेयर कीजिए वीडियो को. ओके, कमेंट करके बताइए कि वीडियो कैसा रहा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस चैनल.